Day 3 in Ludhiana. Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So right now the time is 11 o'clock and my bike has reached around 9,400 kilometers, which means I need to do the service before I proceed for Leh Ladakh, and which is a good part as well because I don't want surprises after this. So the service center in Ludhiana, there are multiple service centers, so I'm going to the Fatehpur or Firozpur service center, and I just had a very heavy breakfast. I mean, Punjab mein aa rahe ho, then definitely you will get all this stuff like lassi, chole, bhature, what's. Anyways, I'll reach Royal Enfield service and then I'll talk to you guys. We are at the Royal Enfield Service Center, Firozpur Road, and I'm with my friend Sumit. The Himalayan will gonna take around 2 hours because of there are lots of changes that I want in my bike. To be on a safer side, I'm doing all the things. So I have around 4 to 5 hours free. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to Amritsar with my friends. Till that time, these people will prepare my bike, and then these people will deliver to place as well. So that's very nice part. So as of now, I'm going to Amritsar and I'll see you on the road. Delicious, yeah. So we are just 50 kilometers before Amritsar and we are having Ladoo. And whenever we say Ladoo, it's kind of a sweet thing which comes in my mind, but this is not a sweet thing, it's a kind of salty. And I haven't tried it yet, so let me try it and I'll let you know how it tastes. ऐसे डायरेक्ट खाते हैं. Nice. You should try this. दही बल्ले ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है. But बड़ा बहुत ही अलग धासु है. Let me enjoy this and I'll see you in some time. और एक खाऊंगा मैं. So finally we have reached Atari Border, and there are certain things that you need to take care. Can you see that place? Those for online reservation and or for all the VIPs and all the NRIs and all the foreigners. And if you want to sit over there, you have to pay online. And that is Pakistan. And Wagha, Atari Border. If you haven't visited that place, then I really recommend to go and watch it if you are an Indian. You will enjoy that event. And right now I'm heading towards Golden Temple. So I'm just walking around near to this Golden Temple, and I found this Jallianwala Bagh. That's the Jallianwala Bagh, and here is a memorial. Right now it is closed. Most of the Indian knows about it, and there's a sad history behind it. Just moving towards the Golden Temple, and I can see Golden Temple from here. So let me make a hyperlapse for you guys. Look at this. Beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, so after this I was so tired, couldn't able to vlog. I couldn't able to make end portion in Ludhiana because I was so tired. So let me end the video from here only. Day 3 was all about resting, servicing and visiting Amritsar, and I enjoyed a lot in Punjab. It was the food, the people, the places, all were awesome. I enjoyed a lot in Punjab, and I enjoyed a lot with the Sumit and family. I hope you also enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in my next video, which is gonna be day 4. Ludhiana to Sonmarg maybe. Why I'm saying maybe? For that you have to watch the day 4 video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do what you can't do. And Vaheguru da Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. Bye.